This is a quick demonstration of the derivative demo tool. So the red circle is x here, and I can drag that around, right? And then delta x is I can make that a little bit more or a little bit less than x. So that's the ball that's shown in this cyan color. So if I move this x around, right, the delta x stays the same, so that's a little bit ahead of it. And basically the idea is that we want to show that a derivative is a slope. And if we just connect the two dots, then that's a straight line, right? And we can think that's easy to get, right? It's a constant slope. And so if we put it over part of the function that's pretty flat, we see that the approximation of the derivative, right, shown as the cyan line, is very close to the red one, which is the actual derivative, right? But if I move it over to kind of these more curved areas, that estimate starts to get pretty bad, right? So this is like fundamental to calculus, right? If you zoom in on a curved function, then that function is going to look flat if you zoom in close enough, assuming the function's well behaved. So that's the idea here, is that we can show this to students and they can play around with it. They can they can change the amount, the size of the step, right? The smaller the size of the step, the better the approximation is, right? In different parts of the function, you can get better approximation depending on how flat the function is, because again, we're approximating it as being linear with the small step. So this is just one example of the sort of GUIs that students can use to sort of play around with mathematical concepts and gain some intuition.